Welcome to another episode of ET Infra Special. Now, this indeed is a very special episode. We are currently inside the Namo Bharat train, one of the very special initiatives undertaken by the government for India's infrastructure development. Currently, we are at the Sarai Kale station of the Namo Bharat project. The Sarai Kale station is the biggest one on the Delhi-Ghaziabad-Meerut corridor of the Namo Bharat project, and it will provide seamless connectivity to the all-important Nizamuddin railway station as well as to the Veer Hakikat Rai ISBT, and also connect with the Delhi Metro's Pink Line as well as the all-important Ring Road. To tell us more about the project, we are joined by two of the senior most executives of National Capital Region Transport Corporation, the executing authority of the Namo Bharat project, Mr. Manvendra Singh and Virendra Kumar, who will individually outline the significance of this station as well as the track technology which have been adopted. We are joined by Mr. Manvendra Singh. Now, he is the Group General Manager of Operations out here at NCRTC. So, Mr. Singh, really appreciate inviting us today. And we are now in the middle of this swanky, Namo Bharat, train set, and really appreciate allowing us to be inside out here.
That is all for NCRTC.
Thank you very much. Now, to the audience, today currently where we are, so we are at the Sarai Kale. This is what for the RRTS would be a multimodal hub. Right, joining all these sort of routes coming in. If you could, briefly tell us what is the significance of this particular station, because you are modeling it as a multimodal hub, and how it will augur well for the RRTS network.
I'll put it into like this. Whenever we are designing any RRTS corridor or regional rail corridor, it's primarily based from center foci of the city to approximately 100 km in all the directions. So right now we are being emphasis with three corridors. First is Delhi to Meerut, that is around 80 km. From Delhi to Karnal, that is around 120 km. And then we have around 110 km towards Alwar. And Sarai Kale being the central point of all these three stations. So, going into the multimodal, we expect that approximately 2 lakh will be the ridership daily for this station. And when we consume as the 2 lakh a daily ridership, and around 20,000 will be the per hour peak hour traffic. Right. So 20,000 peak hour traffic means this station is an influx of all of the passengers towards this station. So we are having at this station Indian Railway Station, Delhi Metro Pink Line, 2 bus stations, 1 intercity and 1 intercity. Along with this, our own corridor. So this 4-5 integration now at this particular station, and we have ensured that this multimodal integration does not have any passengers to travel outside of this area. Means you do not have to cross the roads, you don't have to catch any other mode of the transport. Just take this lifts, escalators and on a walkways. You can seamlessly transit from one mode of the transport to another. So this will be sort of a seamless transportation for any of the public or in the future parcel.
You talked about the 2 lakh passengers number. I wanted to understand, because right now the focus is on the Delhi-Meerut. You also have plans to connect it with Panipat and then to Alwar right there. So this 2 lakh passengers, does it encompass the other 2 routes?
No. 2 lakh passengers at this station daily, it nearly completes only on the Delhi-Meerut corridor. Right. Plus integration with Karnal and Gurugram side Alwar. These 2 corridors will have their own ridership that will also be in touch to this station. And then when we consume that these two corridors also into the Sarai Kale, it will be around 4 lakhs completely for this station when all the 3 corridors are being.
So as I see going forward, the future of Indian transport would be once multimodal connectivity, which also ensures sustainability and also the technology which will streamline the passenger experience. So Mr. Singh, it was really appreciated joining us out here, and you're right now all the sort of measures that Bharat Namo has taken. So it was Namo Bharat has taken, so it was really nice talking.
Yeah, pleasure talking to you again, and hope that you travel in this our corridor and have a Namo Bharat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are joined by Virendra Kumar, Executive Director Tracks at NCRTC. Sir, really appreciating you joining us out here at ET Infra, and appreciate it so much because you have brought us right in the middle of the infrastructure itself. You specialize in tracks, and thanks for bringing us to the tracks. But you have incorporated the best of technology that is available, right? And the Namo Bharat trains are meant to run at 180 km/h. If you could just give us a brief in terms of technology adoption that has happened for this particular project.
Actually, for this, we have selected precast slab track technology being adopted for the first time in India. Rather, bullet train is also having the similar technology from the Shinkansen. They are also having slab track, but we are having slab track for the mainline track as well as for turnouts, which is being done for the first time. So, the main feature of this technology is, first of all, this is a precast where we are having a very tight quality control, and the rate of progress is also very high. We are able to produce 8 km slab every month in our factory. So quality, progress is another thing. Third is this technology is fit for elevated underground. For urban area, the vibration, noise mitigation also it has a provision, and mainly it has a very special feature. It is has a provision in case of replacement. It is very easy to replace. The slab can be taken off. There is a separation layer between the track and the girder. Using the separation layer, we can replace the slab within very few hours.
Right. And sir, all of this manufacturing we are doing in-house, made in India?
Basically, we adopted technology. We took technology transfer. Hand-holding was done by the system provider, who gave all the methodology, all the systems, equipment required, assistance in factory setup, and also helped in supervising factory and this thing. And everything is done by Indian contractor, Indian material. Whatever the molds, everything, equipment we had procured initially from the Germany or from outside, we have developed in-house source in India also. We were falling short of the molds, so we procured additional molds from the Indian source. So it is almost 95% make in India now.
Right, and we understand that the project will extend. Meerut is the first step, then we will go to Panipat and back in Alwar. So, sir, I really appreciate you joining us with us out here at ET Infra. Thank you so much, and all the best. In the future, 2 more corridors under the Namo Bharat project are being envisaged. One will connect Delhi to Alwar via Gurugram and Rewari, which will further extend to Neemrana and Behror. The other corridor will connect Delhi to Karnal via Panipat. The objective of the Namo Bharat project is to create a polycentric growth trajectory for the Delhi NCR region through seamless connectivity and multimodal integration. And this is a model which can be very well be replicated in many other regions of the country.